Hi friends. We're good to go. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna jump right in. I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial. This is like my third or fourth time ever doing makeup. I've been just wearing more in public. And because it's Halloween, I want to do this makeup look. So what I'm basically gonna do, I decided on YouTube, is just, and I'm a very random person. I like doing lots of different things, experimenting with different things. So I'm gonna start a series that's like gay sex worker tries this, gay sex worker tries this, different things. So gay sex worker tries to follow this makeup tutorial and we'll see how it goes. So let's get going. I'm excited. Decided to make a cute little switcheroo to the underwear that I had on earlier. And just to get a little more comfortable. Guess let's just see what happens. I've never done something nearly this like full fantasy or like cool like this, you know. I've just done a few, put some photos of the past 3 days of makeup looks that I've done. Because I've literally only done 3 days and it's been really fun though. So yeah, let's go.
I'm mainly using tint.
Oh.
And then one.
She really just goes from this here in the video to this in about 30 seconds. We're just gonna go for it. Okay. Oh. Okay. Yep, no going back now. So I'm so curious if anyone else is like kind of starting wearing makeup in public right now. I'm like so thankful for like TikTok and stuff too, for like giving me the confidence to like wear dresses in public and like to own any way that I want to express myself, you know? You know what I'm talking about? Cause like before this year, I honestly was like, it's this huge deal if I wear dresses or if I want to wear things that are considered more feminine. But like after seeing everyone on TikTok now and all the beautiful like femboys and stuff, it's like, wait, clothing is just clothing. It doesn't matter what you're wearing. It doesn't matter if you have a penis or a vagina. You can wear and express yourself in any way that you want. I'm going in with black now. Hopefully this is not a mistake. Right up by the hairline, you know? Just that it darkens it. Oh, damn. Okay, that is much darker than I expected. Purple. Ooh, wow, it's dark. I'm just gonna throw some color on here and then use another brush to probably blend it out, because this is just kind of like blurring it all together. Ah, shit, I did the wrong color there. That's okay. We love this. Let's throw some blue up in here. Yes. So now what I'm gonna try is I'm gonna grab this brush right here. Oh, we're going. We're blending. We're stippling. Forehead, I think we're getting, I mean, I'll add some white in a while. I think I'm just gonna use my finger to put some of this on. This is me just finger painting my whole damn face. But it's fun, so, you know, in like, not like just like a super cheesy way, but also I try to live by the thing of like, as long as I'm having fun, who really cares if it looks good or bad or what we're doing in life? Because the only thing that matters is that we have fun. We could die tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? Like, if I die tomorrow, I don't care what I look like today as long as I enjoyed it, so. Oh, this is pretty vibrant. I'm just gonna do some thumbnails real quick, maybe. We'll get it. Okay. I'm just gonna use this hand to like try to maybe really blend that yellow out and down on my face, you know, just so it's not like such a hello harsh line. Yeah. This will be cool. Okay. Oh, yeah, I think that's cool. Right? Yeah. Yeah. I think that's the gradient that I wanted. I think this will be fun. You know what I'm saying? Like a serve. So I'm gonna go wash my hands again because I need to. God damn it. Ooh, shit. That right there on my nose. Okay. Hopefully you guys are liking how this looks. We'll see. Hold on, let me just try this. I want to see. Oh god, I'm getting so much over my bed though. Okay, I did not do a good job explaining this in the video. So at this point, I just took eyeshadow colors from the James Charles X Morphe palette and just deepened all of the colors. So just a yellow, a red, a blue, and a black. Yeah. So I need to do oranges and up there and yellows. Really, these colors are going to be like the outside of it, and then I'm going to cut it, and then I do purples, and then gold right in the center. I kind of honestly, yeah, like you're just seeing, I kind of just like going for things. Like it is kind of like a fault in my life. Like I don't really think things through before I do them. But I'm very good at like making things happen for me. Like if that makes sense, you know, like no matter what, I'm just like, you know, it's gonna work. I have the skills and the tools in my belt to like make the things happen that I want to happen. So I kind of just like, that's kind of like my whole vibe of life. Like I just kind of go for it until I make it happen. It's what I did with sex work. It's what I do with my photo and video business. I guess it's what I do with makeup. It's just like, why not just go for it, you know? Because I'm always like, I don't have anything to lose if I do go for it. But I could have so much to lose if I don't go for it. You know, like what if I never got to experience this again? That would be kind of sucky. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do concealer on my eyebrows now. I mean, on my eyelids. Like, this will be the most like calm video I've ever done, but also the one where on the inside I'm the most like screaming. You know what I'm saying? Like it's just zen. I'm gonna take the blues and purples and add them to the outside. And then, oh my god, a hella ton of, which one's the best gold, I think? Better, okay. Let's add some of this guy underneath here. Oh, wait guys, maybe this is gonna come together, I don't know. We'll see. Still bringing it together. I don't know if I'm gonna like how this looks in the end. She looks so hot. I do not feel like I look like that. But that is okay. I'm also whispering so much of this video too. Like why? I don't know. I don't know why I can't. I feel like I can't talk super loud right now. I'm just gonna take a selfie right now in the light. Because natural lighting makes everything look better. And I hope that this looks cool. We'll be back shortly. Okay, yeah, so in natural lighting this looks so cool, I think. Still gotta add lots more, but we're getting there. Okay, you're going again. Coolio. It's kind of fun too, because even though I can't see what that looked like, I know that was a definite thing I can use as a thirst trap, so yes. Happy to do it. Okay, let's start just adding dots. That's so cool, actually. That's so, guys, this, I really thought this, I mean, I didn't think for a while that this would happen, but it's coming together. Okay, she also has a few different little shooting stars, which I really like. Okay, I believe in myself, Micah. You can do this, you can do this, you can do this. And then moon. Okay. This is the part that's gonna be really challenging. Yeah, I feel like that'll look more like the moon if I just complete the circle, actually. That's what I'm gonna do. Guys, I am the galaxy. Guys. This is fun. This is... I like, this is fun. This is cool. Okay, ooh, look at that lighting. I don't know if you can see me in the lighting, but if you can, I think it's pretty cool. I'm gonna add black eyeliner on my eyes. If I was talented enough, I would do white eyeliner on the eye, but I don't trust myself with that yet. So, because I tried last night, maybe if I can find the photo, I will input it. And this is how it turned out. It was very bad. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Okay guys, so I'm in the bathroom. Like, this looks so cool. In my personal opinion. Also, look at it. Let me see if I can find you some natural light. Natural light makes it way cooler. Then we're gonna get to the video. Ready? I think, where's the natural light? Okay, ready? Hopefully this is looking cool. Yeah. So this is the product that they just gave me. It's called Green Clean by Pharmacy. And it's just, I told them that like, I've used like grease paint now on me. I don't know if it's actually called grease paint, but just like this type of makeup. And I have some, what do I need to buy so that it can always come up easier? Didn't I? And they said this, so we'll just try it and we'll go for it. Holy cow, guys! You saw how much makeup I had on. And I just used that one application of that stuff. That is amazing. I'm not even a makeup artist, and I know how amazing that is. Like, that's... Holy cow! That's fun. That honestly is like really fun to take off even. Because it makes me feel like a whole new person now. Highly recommend. So yeah, that was my whole day with makeup. I do still have makeup in my hairline, but this is what I look like now, back to normal. Hope everyone's night goes great, and I love you all. Bye. If you want to subscribe to my OnlyFans, I'm a pretty fun guy. I'll leave the link down below. Follow me on Instagram, anything like that, and see you soon.